Hello, I'm Sarah May with Apex Pro Property Solutions. Today, I want to talk about a topic many homeowners overlook: estate planning. You don't have to be wealthy for this to matter. If you own property, planning ahead is one of the most important things you can do to protect your assets and ease the burden on your loved ones. Let's walk through what estate planning really is, how your home fits into it, and what can happen if you don't have a plan in place. What is estate planning? Estate planning is the process of legally preparing for the management and distribution of your assets if you pass away or become unable to make decisions. Most people think of a will, but that's just one piece of the puzzle. A complete estate plan typically includes a will to name heirs and guardians, trusts to avoid probate and maintain privacy, durable power of attorney to designate someone to handle your finances if you're incapacitated, advance healthcare directives to document your medical preferences, proper beneficiary designations, and up-to-date titles on your assets. The goal is to make sure your wishes are honored while reducing stress, delays, and costs for your family. How your home fits into an estate plan. For most people, the home is the largest asset they own. That's why it's so important to understand how it's handled in estate planning. Here are a few key things to consider. Who owns the home? Is it just you, or do you share ownership with someone else? What happens to the mortgage? Will your heirs be able to keep up with payments or refinance? Is your intent clear? Have you named who should inherit the home? Failing to clarify these points can lead to legal delays, family disputes, or forced sales, even if you've left behind a will. Avoiding probate with trusts or transfer on death deeds. One of the most effective ways to transfer a home without going through probate is by placing it in a living trust. This allows your home to go directly to your chosen beneficiaries without court intervention, saving time and legal fees. Another tool, depending on your state, is a transfer on death (TO) deed. This document lets you name a beneficiary who automatically receives ownership of the property when you pass away. No court process needed. It's a simpler and often less expensive option than a trust, but it isn't available in every state. The risks of not having a plan. If you die without an estate plan, also known as dying intestate, your property is distributed based on state law. That might not reflect your wishes, and it could create complications such as delays in accessing the property, legal battles between potential heirs, property going to the state in the absence of a clear heir. Taking time now to put a plan in place means your loved ones won't be left in a difficult legal and emotional situation later. Debts, mortgages, and taxes to consider. It's also important to remember that debts don't disappear after you pass. If your home has a mortgage, your heirs may have to continue paying it or refinance. In some cases, they may need to sell the home to settle your estate's debts. Additionally, estate or inheritance taxes may apply, depending on your state and the value of your assets. A tax professional can help you structure your plan in a way that reduces or avoids unnecessary tax burdens for your family. Estate planning is a powerful way to protect your home, your wishes, and your family's future. It's not just about documents. It's about peace of mind. If you're unsure where to begin, talk with an estate attorney or connect with a real estate professional who understands these issues. I'm Sarah May with Apex Pro Property Solutions, and we're here to help you make smart, informed decisions about your property. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check the description for more tools and resources.